to get up.
Not at school. Been there like 50 years or something.
I made it up.
Wow.
On his way here in traffic, he made it up. So one day I was visiting my family in the Waikani Valley, and the inspiration to this song came to me. And it's, you know, I've heard other variations of the valley, a place called Waiahole. Anybody live in the Waikani Waiahole Valley area?
Nearby.
Well, if you don't, it's a beautiful place to visit. I get family up there, and I wrote this song years ago, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. It's called Waiahole.
And I wonder who this family is.
Kind of listen to the words. It's kind of simple, nothing fancy, but it's from our soul, from our heart. Here we go. And if you mind, help me during the chorus. I just need for you to sing a couple of times the word Waiahole. That's all. With the lyrics.
Actually, Waiahole.
Oh, my Father Valley is within our hands, and the life of her people in the soul of her land. The sunshine flows softly through her valley sky, and the cool breeze of aloha living on the windward side. Here we go. Oh, Waiahole. I need you to help me.
Only one word, Waiahole.
You guys got it. Mountain and apple tree. Waiahole. Bring back memory. We sing the song of Waiahole. Here we go now. Waiahole. Waiahole, elementary. Waiahole, the boy factory. We sing a song of Waiahole. A little bit fighting about it. The windward breeze was blowing through the mystic Holocaust. We miss everything about you, 'cause as Hawaiians we are so proud. Oh, Waiahole, mountain apple tree. Waiahole, bring back memories. We sing a song of Waiahole. Waiahole, elementary. Waiahole, the boy factory. We sing a song of Waiahole. We sing a song of Waiahole. It's been lovely, folks. We're happy to share our island originals with you guys this afternoon. To all of the contestants, good job, folks. Oh yeah. And to the judges, thank you for being patient, listening to all the awesome melodies. And most important, you, the fans of island music. Without you guys, we're not there. Thank you.